Hello, this is NAVIFORCE watch unboxing review. Today, I'm going to show you it's a woman's watch. The model number is NF5017. Okay, now let's have more details about this watch. When you open this box, we got the beautiful watch, and then you can see this is a measurement, the watch measurement, and will give you a guarantee card. Okay, let's have a look at this watch. This is a diamond ladies watch. We can see there, here in the dial, there are 12 crystal diamonds make into the indices, and the dial material is the natural shell. And also, so we can see in the bezel there are 70 crystal diamonds. Let's have a look at the crown. It's a pumpkin-shaped crown. And in the back case, we can find here we'll have the model number NF5017L. It's for the ladies models. And also we can see the strap. We use the high quality steel strap, and also in these models we can see in two sides near the dial. We can see there are 12 crystal diamonds decorated into the strap. These models we have 4 colors. Now let me show you the 4 colors. Okay, now there's 4 colors here. Just now we have introduced you the blue one. We will show you the last 3 colors. This color is the rose gold and white color. It's the same. The dial is made of the natural shell to be the dial. And on the 9th o'clock position, we can see there's a very beautiful rose on the dial. And the 12 o'clock position, we can see our brand logo here. And also this is a crystal diamond watches, so we can see this very beautiful watch. The diamond here and here. You can have a try it. They're so good, these watches. Okay, the next color. This is a food silver color. The same. The dial is the natural shell, but it's a silver shell. And the rose on the dial is also make the silver color. And also our brand logo is make the silver. Okay, the next color. The last one is the gold color. Also, the hands and the rose and the logo, we all make it the gold color. the diamond and the strap on this side, and we can see the back case. The button, you push here and open the button. Open the barcode. Open the barcode. Here is the model number. Here is the gold color. Very beautiful, the link. Okay, that's all. Which color do you like the best? I like the blue one best. Now you can find this model in different of our official stores. Come and buy the best one you think. Okay, bye bye.